We can see the crude oil this week has formed some kind of a range, indecision range area that was bouncing at this price level where the current price is. We can see that the price tried to reach a lower price level, then it was invalidated with a second candle, but then also the price returned back down, and on a Friday formed this strong bearish candle, which means a bearish pin bar just here at this, currently acting as a resistance level because the price is below this one. On the weekly time frame, we can see this is a bearish candle with a small body and the large wicks going up and going down. So on the monthly time frame, this is a bullish candle that has formed this bullish breakout, but we will see much more clearly on the lower time frames where the price could go. For now, what we can see, we have 2 more weeks until this month ends, so we will see how this candle closes. But for now, as it looks, the price has formed this bullish breakout that needs to stay above 82.94 in order to rise in value again. Very important levels for the price currently on the monthly time frame is 85.83 on the upside. That needs to be broken, and the second target is 88.43. So these are the first and the second target for the price in order to go up, and this is something where I'm expecting that the price will bounce a little bit, which means retrace back down. On the lower side, the price needs to go below in order to reach, and the first support level will be at 81.39. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the price has formed a bullish breakout, and it has been confirmed with this week, which means there is a possibility further rise in value. But I'm expecting for the price to retrace back down and then reaching this first support level, which means 82.94, and from there we will see will the price form some kind of a bullish signal suggesting further rise in value. On the daily time frame, we can see 82.94 is very important level, and it is first the support area, demand zone, where the price could stop. This is the first level that the price needs to break, which means below 84.72 the price needs to break in order to go down and reach this area here at 83.50, which will be the first target as a support level, and this is the start of this demand zone. If the price goes up and the price goes above 85.91, the price closes on the daily time frame, this will suggest further rise in value, and we can see where. If we go like this, zoom out a little bit, we can see after the price makes a breakout to the downside, we can see this is the first support level that needs to hold, and it will hold for the price where the price could bounce. So this is an area that needs to make a breakout to the upside or the downside in order to see where the price could go. But for now, what I can see, I'm much more inclined to see the price reaching the lower side level, which means 82.94, reaching here, and then we'll see what happens. I will see on a Monday, will the price make a bearish breakout? If it happens, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders, where the next target could be around this area here. But if the price goes up, this will be also a bullish breakout where the price could reach higher price levels, and we will see where that could be. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.